Hi. So if your Davinci Resolve is not opening and it's giving you the initialize GPU, kind of unable to initialize GPU error, this is what you can do to fix that. So go to your search, type in graphics settings, and then graphics settings, this is the graphics performance preference. So here you want to add Davinci Resolve into this list. You need to go to browse, and then you need to find your Davinci Resolve wherever it is. If you don't know where it is, you can go to the shortcut. You can go open file location on the shortcut and it will just open wherever your Davinci is downloaded. Then you just click on the application, on the actual Resolve application, and click add. And now here in options, you can click on high performance so that your graphics card prioritizes Davinci when opening it and when running it. You can click on save, exit this window, and try opening it again. Hope that helps.